Hello my flourishing friends! Welcome to another episode. I'm super excited, St. Patrick's Day is here. It's one of my favorite holidays. I miss it so dearly since I'm back in Europe. Yeah, so for today's video I thought I'd do a little show and tell, and I also have a little announcement for you guys about the future of this channel, because there's gonna be a bit of change going on. But I'm gonna do that in the end of the video, so for now, kick back and enjoy the show and tell. Just wanna say before I begin, it's your lucky day if you didn't know it yet. Spread some love, people. Okay, there we go. So what I did for St. Patrick's Day, since I have a lot of friends in America and I wanted to send something nice, I did some embellishment cards because I can just slip them in an envelope and then send them out. So I made 3 different kinds. I'm just gonna start with this one. This I did a simple plain paper, as you see, and put some tags here, and I had some beautiful stickers, and it says, "May the luck of the Irish be with you, and you can never have enough luck." So I thought it was cute and simple, even though there's a lot going on, but still it's the main focus on the writing. And with the writing as well, I said it in the last video, I always go freestyle, just however I feel, and most of the time it turns out good. Well, at least you guys think it. I do a lot of good cutting. So yeah, that's the first card. Then we have the second one. That's for a special person. Kiss me, I'm Irish. And there goes my dog. Not Irish, by the way. I did that one because I visited the St. Patrick's Day parade in Chicago once. And so many people wore t-shirts that said, "Kiss me, I'm Irish." And I thought it was so funny. And yeah, so I wanted to dedicate a card for that. Yeah, here we have one that is pretty much hitting the nail on the head. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Pretty simple. What I really like about this card, I found this paper that has grass printed on it. I think it's so cute. And again, I used some stickers. Some lucky golden pot here. Sadly, I didn't have stickers with the leprechaun on it. I really like the leprechaun. If you don't know what a leprechaun is, it's right here. Or better said, that's the mist leprechaun. I don't know, can you actually see? Oh, you can see him as well, he's here. Yeah, so those are my 3 embellishment cards. I did the same size as usual, like a hand. And like I said, I always slip them in an envelope and then they're out. I always like when they match, even though I don't send them to the same person. I don't know why I do that, but I really like it. So I stick with the theme. To the next, drum roll. I did a greeting card as well. And with that one, what was actually funny, you recognize the stickers, of course, from the other cards. But this card is actually a pre-cut card I still had from the stack I'm still crafting on. It's supposed to have a picture inside, but I didn't want to do that because I just didn't feel like going and printing a picture and stuff. So I used some nice silver paper, decorated around it, which works also pretty good, I think. So here we have St. Patrick's. This is, by the way, not a sticker. It was on the packaging from the stickers. It said it on the top, and I cut it out and used it. So that's also when you don't want to spend that much money. Sometimes you find those little snips somewhere where you don't expect it, and you can use it and nobody will ever know. Okay, you know it now, but it's between you and me. Here we have the inside. Of course, I had to cover up this paper piece here, so I glued in a nice bright green colored paper. And it says, "Oh cute, oh huggable, oh lovable, happy St. Patrick's Day," which is super cute. Used the stickers as well. Did my little thing here again. People that watch me for some time know that's a thing of me. I really think it ties every project together pretty much. Washi action going on, and that was it actually. Let me put everything back in the picture for you guys. Hope you can see everything. Okay, that's my St. Patrick's Day craftings 2020. Now to the big announcement that I told you about. I have here my little Smarty book. I do all my planning for the channel in there. And when I started my channel over half a year ago, I wanted the channel to be a place where you just hang out with me, share my hobbies, and yeah, we're just gonna have a good time. I lost myself a bit in just through craft videos. I mean, I did some DIY set videos as well, but it was really crafting related. And I want to break that a bit open for your entertainment, guys. So in the coming weeks I have a few videos planned that are not paper crafting related. Unbelievable, I know, and I'm super thrilled for it, and I cannot wait to show you what I planned. I really hope you're gonna like it, and I want to grow the Flourishing family a bit further, so I hope you guys help me with that. I would deeply appreciate it. The last weeks have been really crazy with my channel, and it was so exciting, and I hope we continue this amazing journey. Yeah, I'm not gonna tell you what is the next video. That's a surprise. But I'm so excited, and okay, that was it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. It was again a little quickie, but still nice, I hope. And I can't wait for the next video, and can't wait to chill out with you guys, and yeah, wish you a nice day. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. Lots of love, happy smiles and hugs. Your Lisa.